everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come to a restaurant for dinner and it is very interesting here because we are going to be cooking and eating our food. Let's see how it turns out. This is Niha Family Restaurant and it is a famous restaurant situated facing Colombo Kandy Main Road in Tihari city in Sri Lanka. As you can see, there's an immense number of different types of dishes displayed and each one of them looked very delicious. They have fast food items like burger buns and sandwiches, as well as rice, meat and some other traditional food items like string hoppers and dosas in the set menu. There are also cakes and many other sweets. They have a separate corner where they have fresh fruits which they use to make fruit juice. But they have newly started to make popping bubble tea, so I decided on tasting that instead. As always, I love chocolate, so I ordered a chocolate popping bubble tea. It was very good and had so much flavor in it. It also had a very strong chocolate flavor. Now it was time to enjoy the hot pot. Hot pot is a method where you place a boiling pot on a heat source in front of you and cook the food items on your own. It's hot and fresh. They provide us with the broth and we are also given different types of raw meat and vegetables that we can cook in this broth. We first added the chicken, then the fish. And this is cuttlefish. My mom added the prawns. She added the fresh corn too. After stirring it a bit, I added the sausages into it. And then the tofu. After letting it boil for a bit, Mom and I added the mushroom and carrot. Then we went on with adding the cabbage. Soon it was time to add leeks and okra. We also added spring onions along with them. To top up the vegetables, we added water spinach. Next it was time to add the noodles. My mom added a beaten egg along with it. Now our hot pot soup is ready. Let's taste it. The broth itself had so much flavor in it, and all the vegetables and meat had absorbed it very well, so they were all so juicy and had a great flavor and texture. It was one of the best meals I have ever had. I just loved it. It was an incredible experience as it was my first time trying out a hot pot. Everything was perfect. From the food to the drink, and even the place itself had a great night outing vibe. A special thanks goes to the amazing team of Nihal Family Restaurant for supporting us throughout this video. For dessert, I decided on having a chocolate fudge and my mom wanted caramel pudding. I also tasted a bit from the vanilla ice cream that my dad got. It was very creamy and sweet. My mom surely seemed to have enjoyed her caramel pudding as well. Next, I tried my chocolate fudge. It was very smooth and had a tasty chocolate taste with a slight touch of bitter. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I had so much fun making my own food and eating. It was such a new and amazing experience, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!